Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of DIY fence installation versus hiring a professional. Let's break it down. First up, skill level. Do you have experience with DIY projects? If you're handy and confident, DIY might be a great option. But if you're unsure, a pro can save you time and potential mistakes. Next, consider the time commitment. DIY can be rewarding, but it often takes longer. If you're short on time, hiring a professional can get the job done quickly and efficiently. Let's talk budget. DIY can save you money on labor costs, but remember to factor in materials and tools. Hiring a pro may be more expensive upfront, but could prevent costly errors down the line. Quality of work is crucial. Pros have the experience to deliver a polished finish. If you're aiming for a high-end look, a professional might be the way to go. Finally, think about warranties and insurance. Many pros offer warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind. If you DIY, you won't have that safety net. So, whether you choose to DIY or hire a pro, weigh these factors carefully. Each option has its benefits, so pick what suits your needs best. Should you decide to hire a professional, you can contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.